Tamy Moyo.
Hi guys.
Hi, I'm going to spotlight her here. Hi, Miss Tamy.
Gosh.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hi.
How's everything?
Good.
Awesome. I'm happy to be here. My name is Tamy.
So, Miss Tamy, there's one camper here who is a special fan of yours.
Really?
Yes, so I'm going to introduce you to her. Sydney, say hi. Big girl voice. Let her hear you.
Hi.
Hi Sydney, how are you?
Good.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me once again, guys. Special shout out to Sydney and everyone else who's here. Thank you for all the love and the support. I'm ready to go for it. I'm ready to answer any questions that you guys might have. And I'm more than excited to be here today.
Wow, well, Sydney has a question right away.
Are you gonna have any news? Are you gonna have that part 2 for that you were supposed to have for one of your music videos?
I know which music video you're talking about. It says to be continued. So yes, definitely. It's going to be continued in a few weeks' time, actually. So you can look out for that. When you're ready, I will let you know where to find the song, where to find the video, and the final part of the song.
Okay.